Now here's a haunted trail that's haunted for no particular reason. It's just a creepy trail. Bit different from past videos, but enjoy! Hi, I'm Xe, a Traxxas X-MAXX with an installed AI program. I've driven over water, met a rattlesnake, jumped off a cliff, and even drowned at the bottom of a lake. And this is my channel. No trespassing? Then why would there be a hiking trail entrance? I don't think they'll mind this one time. I hate snow. It's cold and powdery. It gets everywhere. Not to mention it's impossible to drive through. Why is my fan making that noise? Stop that. You stop that now. Hey friends, I think I found an entrance of sorts over here. A passage, quite possibly. Gosh, the snow is so annoying. Well, that's slightly terrifying. Don't worry guys, I'll be the first to go, as always. I enjoy putting my life in danger. It's quite thrilling. And Aura, I'll need you to keep your light on down here. The snow here is ruthless, and I'm getting pretty scared down here. I'm not gonna lie. What is that? Human friend? I need a human friend down here real quick. Human friend! There's something in the snow and I do not have hands. Right there. Never mind, take it back. I don't want to see it anymore. What? Is that a doll? What is it doing out here? Oh no, put that doll back. We are not bringing it with us. I swear, I'm not leaving until you put that back. Leave it! Thank you. Now we can go. I'm stuck. Hey Aura, I think our human friends want to go down there to see if the creepy doll in the snow we found. I'm gonna point my light down there so they can see. Alright, I've kind of had it with this place, and I'm getting really cold. That first night was creepy, and you may think that's all the fun we had, but no. Oh, no. It gets worse. So night 2, we chose to go to a different location that was a lot creepier, in my opinion. I'm going to be completely honest, nothing really happened. That's why I'm just giving a sped up rundown of the night. I mean, there was some creepy noises that we heard, but I'm not going to be like every other scary video where I make a huge deal out of every little sound and act like it couldn't be anything else other than a ghost. I'm just not going to do that to you guys. But like I said, nothing happened. Moving on. For night 3, we went to the same spot as night 2. We didn't have enough time to explore everything the other night, so we chose to take a different route to see more of the forest. What are you freaking out about, Aura? What? What's over there? Seriously, what do you see? I don't see anything. Crap, this is gonna be a bad idea. black abyss, apparently. Aura, seriously, what's over there? I got stuck. Wait, I see something now. Or at least I think I do? Wait. No. Oh, please, no. Oh, come on. Why is this thing following me now? Literally done nothing. I don't like this one bit. Why is this happening? We need to leave. I want to get out of here. Let's go, everyone. Pack it up. Let's get out of here. I'm not waiting for any of you. Gosh dang it. This is no time to be getting stuck. Aura, hurry up. This is not making haste. If you're wondering, yes, we did make it out. We just kind of left and that was that. I'll keep you all posted if anything else weird happens. Thank you all for watching, and please give this video a like and share. Maybe subscribe if you're not.